Hey Vsauce, Michael here. Welcome back to another episode. This is actually filmed on the same day as the first one, where I V'd out, in case you watched the entire video. It's raining again. Like less than about an hour before the last video rained again. This is the third time in 4 hours. Here's a cat. So just recently I've attended my local camp called Pioneer Camp. That's a cringy intro. I'm sorry about that first episode intro, because that was really cringy. Hello and welcome to the third installment of bad knife creating. We just drilled the holes, my dad and I. I'm out of breath because I sprinted all the way up from the garage to the house and I'm really lazy. I never do that. But welcome to the third episode of Noah's food review. Look at how crappy this the environment looks. This is global warming. Obama made me. Hey, that's pretty good. It's a coyote or something. Look at that. He didn't have a brain. He had no brain. But this is what we're doing now. I guess this is mine. I found it. Cool. B, do you want this bone? Okay, guess not. But we just drilled holes in it. And I'm just gonna whoop, shut up. What I'm gonna do, as you can see, ooh, no blade. The blade is over in the vise, and as you can see, I've cut out some holes here and some drawings have been made. And so now this is gonna be our blade here. Oh man. That's that. Now we just need to take these and fool it down onto these. And so now we got spinny blade, minion board. And crap, it's getting cold in here. Wait. Redo. Heckin' crap, it's getting hot in here. Be loud again, thought. Alright, so I've decided that this is irrelevant right here, and I really don't care. So I'm just going to shave these corners off, which is actually prohibiting use of the knife. I say that this is way, way nicer to just do this and not be concerned with all the other crap. But I do need to make sure that I don't go too crazy right there, because we need to drill these holes a bit bigger, so I might just stop there. Maybe fix this corner right there. Hold on. Focus, you thought. Work with right there. It's a little bug. You probably can't even see it. Oh, it's dead now. Is this camera even on? Hold on. Yeah, it's on. Is it recording? Oh. Okay. So we have a bit of an issue. This looks really nice. Or this looks really nice here, and this looks like terrible. Terrible is a word, but I used it in the wrong sense. Sensical. So now what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna flip this around. That's way better. I'm gonna take this off. So what we have here are the handles here, our fastening devices, which aren't gonna work at the second because they're weird. Just trust me on that one. I'm gonna turn this off before I burn the entire place down. Should've known better than to cheat a friend. Oh, waste the chance that I'd been given. So I'm never gonna dance again when I dance with you. Hey, tell me what song that is and I'll give you free V-Bucks in the comments down below. Careless whispers through the night. You hold me tight. Something in your eyes. Wow, I suck at singing. So this is ironic. You know the part that I said looked really sucky? That's the part that actually works. See, look here. That's the crappy part. And that actually opens, just trust me. And this one doesn't even open. Hold on, I'll show you. So we attach this bad boy. Bad boys, what she gonna do? Alright. As you can see, this one doesn't open, that's the nice looking one. And then the bad looking one actually works. Wait, is that the right one? Yeah, that one actually works. Oh, that's gonna need to be shaved down there. Look, that doesn't even open. It doesn't even open. It makes me angered. Back to the extremely violent light where you can actually see things. Prepare for cancer. Wow. Now that's a lot of damage. That should be enough. Now that's a lot of damage. Okay, it's coming out nice. Woo! I'm getting excited. Doesn't that look cool? Aren't you excited too? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at you. What we're about to do is drill these holes out, and it's actually the worst part of this entire thing because it can screw the entire thing up. And it's raining again. I just got rained on my hand. Oh my lord. It's raining, Lord, for like the 5th time in like 4 hours. Still, it's been like 4 hours, maybe less. Probably way more. But what we're about to do is so gruesome that I can't even show it on film. That's how crazy this is. Because I'll probably start swearing like heck the entire thing, the entire time. So I'm not even going to record it. It'll be fine. I'll show you afterwards. If it's fine, prepare to see a completed video. And if it's not, the sauce out. We're making the blade in the garage, right? And we're having a bit of a struggle. So what should be fun, most fun and easiest part of the entire task is becoming daunting and quite unpleasant. I'll explain more later.